Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my online class. I am here for my student of class 5. I will love to see your individual talents and watching you grow during your education. So pick it up and let's start our class. We all also thank you for our family and friends. So, my dear students, look at the screen. What can you see in this picture? My dear students, look at and what can you see in this picture? Here is two pictures. In those pictures, what can you see? Okay, first picture is Dhaka, Bangladesh, and second picture is Saint Martin's Island. Okay, my dear students, so we can say, what can we say? Can you say? Okay, we can say how far is Saint Martin's from Dhaka? We can say how far is Saint Martin's from Dhaka? So my dear students, I know you all try to understand what can I say. Our today's lesson is how far is Saint Martin's. Today's lesson is how far is Saint Martin's. My dear students, every day we learn some new words. Today we will learn 3 or 4 new words. First word is popular. First word is popular. So popular means liked by many people. Liked by many people. This is our new words. Popular, liked by many people. It's mean liked by many people. Okay. Popular meaning in Bangla, জনপ্রিয়. Popular meaning in Bangla, জনপ্রিয়. The next word is tourist. Next word is tourist. What do you know? What is the meaning of tourist? Tourist is someone who visits a place for pleasure. Tourist means someone who visits a place for pleasure. Okay. So, its Bangla meaning is পর্যটক. Its Bangla meaning is পর্যটক. My dear students, so tourist mean someone who visit a place for pleasure. Next word is waterfall. Next word is waterfall. Do you know what is the meaning of waterfall? I will help you. A stream of water that flows from a high place. A stream of water that flows from a high place. Okay, you know waterfall. Waterfall, that means a stream of water that flows from high place. Flows from high place. Okay, its Bangla meaning is জলপ্রপাত. Its Bangla meaning is জনপ্রপাত. জলপ্রপাত. So we learned today 3 words, 3 new words. One is popular, liked by many people. That's mean জনপ্রিয়. Other is tourist, someone who visits a place for pleasure. It's mean পর্যটক. Then last one is waterfall. Waterfall, a stream of water that flows from a high place. So waterfall, its meaning of Bangla, জলপ্রপাত. So my dear students, I think you all can understand. Next, my dear students, open your book, page number 46. When I read the text, you must put your finger on your textbook and listen to me very carefully. Here we talked about Indian thermal. So Our today's lesson is how far is St. Martin's? So, Andy, hi Tamal, can you help me with something? Tamal, sure Andy. Andy, what are the main tourist spots in Bangladesh? I know about Cox's Bazar. I visited there last month. Tamal, oh, Cox's Bazar is the most popular tourist spot. Andy, and it's beautiful. I love the sea and the beach, but I'd like to see some new places this time. Tamal, right. There are many places to see in our country. You can go to Sri Mongol. You can enjoy the beauty of the sea gardens there. From there, you can go to Madhubkundu. There are some wonderful waterfalls there. You can also go to St. Martin's Island. It's a special place. Okay, my dear students. Now, again, I read the text. You must listen to me very carefully and keep your finger on your textbook. My dear students, Andy, hi Tamal, can you help me with something? Tamal, sure Andy. Andy, what are the main tourist spots in Bangladesh? I know about Cox's Bazar. I visited there last month. Tamal, oh, Cox's Bazar is the most popular tourist spot. Andy, and it's beautiful. Love the sea and the beach, but I would like to see some new places this time. Tamal, right, there are many places to see in our country. You can go to Sri Mongol. You can enjoy the beauty of tea gardens there. From there, you can go to Madhubkundu. There are some wonderful waterfalls there. You can also St. Martin's Island. You can also go to St. Martin's Island. It's a special place. My dear students, now we will pronounce some words. We will pronounce some words. First word is visited. First word is visited. Here we can say visited. So please everybody repeat after me. visited. Visited. Please repeat after me. visited. Visited. Second word is popular. 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 Please repeat after me. Popular. Popular. And last one is tourist. Last one is tourist. So we can say tourist. 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 So today we learn three words how pronounced. Okay. First is visited. 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 Second is popular. 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 Third is tourist. 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 I know you all can understand. Thank you. Claps for everybody. My dear student, now listen to me very carefully. Here is some sentences and blank sentences. Okay, look at the screen. Here is some blank sentences that we called fill in the blanks. Okay, you know the fill in the blanks. So I help you to fill the blanks. First sentence is Andy visited what? Can anyone say? there last month. Okay, Andy visited there last month. Number 2 is there are some wonderful. What? Can you say? Okay, wonderful waterfall. There are some wonderful waterfall. Last one is it is special place. It is special place. So Andy visited there last month. There are some wonderful waterfall. It is a special place. Please open your notebook and write down. My dear students, look at the screen. We will make a sentence by the word. We will make some sentences by the word. Here is word beauty, enjoy, help. Those words. So we will make sentences by the words. First is beauty. First is beauty. So can you say? Okay, I will help you. Beauty, we can say he looks so handsome here, and when a girl, you can say he looks beautiful. Okay, he looks beautiful. Enjoy. Enjoy. Akash enjoys the play. Akash enjoys the play. Okay. Now last one is help. Last one is help. We will make a sentence by help. Alam helps Munni to keep the pot. So beauty, we say when we say any girl, so then we say she looks so beautiful. And enjoy, Akash enjoys the play. Help, Alam helps Munni to keep the pot. I know everybody can understand our lesson. Now please see the screen. What are in the dialogue? Okay. Who is asking about main tourist spots in Bangladesh? I want to give you this question to write down your notebook. Okay. Next time I will ask you to show it. Okay, my dear student. Then, who visited Cox's Bazar last month? I know you all are know about this question. Okay, so please open your notebook and write down the questions. Who are in the dialogue? Who is asking about main tourist spots in Bangladesh? Who visited Cox's Bazar last month? Okay, my dear students. Now, I would like to give you a homework. Write 3 sentences about different tourist spots in Bangladesh. My dear student, write only 3 sentences. Only 3 sentences about different tourist spots in Bangladesh. Different tourist spots in Bangladesh. So, please write down on your notebook. My dear students, you know every day we learn about one day one word, isn't it? Yes. So our today's word is tourist. Our today's word is tourist. So we learn what is tourist, and then we will try to make a sentence with tourist. So we can say Tamal helps the tourist by giving information. Tamal helps the tourist by giving information. So tourist, please repeat after me. Today's one day one word is tourist. Today's one day one word is tourist. Tamal helps the tourist by giving information. Tamal helps the tourist by giving information. Again, tourist. Please repeat after me. Tourist. Tamal helps the tourist by giving information. Okay, my dear students, everybody is good and talented, and everybody listen to me very carefully and support me to continue my class. So thank you very much. Stay at home, stay safe. Tata, bye bye. See you next class.